Welcome to my channel. Are you looking to enhance your online security while using the Brave browser? In this video, I'll show you how to enable standard protection to keep your browsing experience safe. Let's get started. First, open your Brave browser. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and click on the three-line menu, also known as the hamburger menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open a new page where you can adjust your browser's settings. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security, then select Security from the available options. Under the Safe Browsing section, you will see two options: Standard Protection and No Protection. To balance security and privacy, select Standard Protection. This option helps block potentially harmful websites, downloads, and extensions while keeping your data private. That's it. You have successfully enabled Standard Protection in Brave browser. This setting helps protect you from malicious sites while maintaining a good balance between security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips. See you in the next one.